Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Acuity Scheduling account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you cancel your Acuity Scheduling paid subscription? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to cancel your Acuity Scheduling paid subscription anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, it's pretty common to switch over to a different service provider. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Acuity Scheduling dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Acuity Scheduling, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and cancel your paid subscription, down here on the bottom left, you're going to see your name. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, once you do that, it's going to bring you to your Squarespace dashboard. So you're going to see all the Squarespace products you have. However, in order to cancel your Acuity Scheduling, look for the one that says Acuity Scheduling, and then up on the top right of that box, you're going to see these three little dots. Click on there. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on Billing. Okay, once you click into Billing, you're going to see these three options, and in order to cancel your paid subscription, click on this button, Subscriptions. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the different subscriptions you have through Acuity Scheduling. You can see right here, and just click on the active subscription. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see what paid subscription you have through Acuity. You can see I have the growing plan. Now, before you cancel your Acuity Scheduling, you do have the opportunity to downgrade your plan. If you're not using all the features, you can click right here on Change and then choose a lower tier. However, if you're sure you want to go ahead and cancel your paid subscription, click on this red button here, Cancel Subscription. Okay, next, Acuity Scheduling is going to ask why you're canceling your paid subscription. So you can go ahead and choose one that applies to you. And then you want to click on Next. Okay, once you do that, it lets you know that your cancellation is going to happen. If you qualify for any kind of refund, it's going to be listed right here. Now, one thing I want to let you know is if you cancel your Acuity Scheduling, it's going to be canceled immediately. You're not going to get the amount of service that you paid for. So for example, I'm recording this on the 23rd of April. I'm scheduled for renewal 1 month later. But if I cancel right now, I'm going to lose access to my scheduling with Acuity. So rather than confirming the cancel, another way you can do this is, let me close this out. Okay, here I am back on my plan. You can look for this button right here, Renew Automatically. So it's in green, so that means on May 23rd, my credit card's going to get billed automatically again. So I'm going to go ahead and just turn that off. Now you're going to see this pop up. My subscription will not renew on May 23rd. So this way I can still use the amount of Acuity Scheduling that I've already paid for. And then when it comes around to renewal, I'm not going to be billed again. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to cancel your Acuity Scheduling paid subscription, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.